restaurant, tavern. I've got a battery pack, whatever, and I'm gonna charge my things up. I have my own battery charger. So 2 items are being charged. Yeah. So let's see what happens. These were dead. The drone's dead, but normally I would have to go back now. And I'm getting a bottle of water, a double espresso, and some lunch. Can I have this grilled chicken sandwich? Chicken club.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Very much. Here, all done. Thank you. Look at me resting and stopping. Dead, and there's 52% charge. Okay. I mean, listen, it was dead. It's better than no charge. All right, let's go. Let me say something real quick. In past videos, I have these vacations that crawling up on things. I'm older. This right here, this isn't something I do that often. You know, I don't really go to the clubby restaurant. I can see why people do though. This was very slick, very groovy. It's 3 o'clock. I just realized I leave tomorrow. I know, right? I'm gonna go down. I've yet to be in this water. It's too cold for me. I don't think this is a kayak day, but I tell you, this right here, what most people experience, I can see why they do. This is very relaxing. I'm running out of time. Yeah, I've never been on this side of the island before. I like it. This would be the southwestern side. I love it. I don't think this is a kayak day. There's 1 person in the water, 3, a couple. Would be going to bed right now, but I just realized I'm leaving tomorrow. I know.
Chicken fillet.
Chicken fillet.
Petit maison.
Yes.
With, you see?
Oh, that's what I like. That's why I came back.
Yes.
Because it's so good. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good, thank you. Happy to be back. ready for this? So I came here several years ago by recommendation, and they had mushroom chicken stuffed with fig. Alright? Oh my god. I made something for the chef. It's probably for the dishwasher.
Oh,
That's how good my food was.
very nice hair.
It's delicious.
I might not wash it. I might let it in the sun to dry.
It's always the best. Okay, so what is this?
Pastija.
Pastilla.
Yeah, pastija, liqueur. Very good. It's only Greek.
Okay. Cheers. So what is this again?
Pastija. I write the name here.
All right, super. Thank you. I asked about wow. I asked about Russo because it's very licoricey. Licorice with a little cream and a hint of peppermint. Hey, Asho. Thank you. Oh. Oh my god. Here, let's go here. You want to sit on a boat and have some ice cream?